Today we make the pasta the traditional way, the antique way, the way it should be done. Follow me, let's see what they do. Today we are at a pasta making museum and artisanal factory. They do pasta making the ancient way, the traditional way. We're gonna learn all about it. Please like and subscribe below. We're telling the story of me going to 12 different countries over 12 months and learning 12 unique skill sets. We're in Italy, becoming an artisanal cuisine master. Let's get started with the pasta. Buongiorno folks, we're at Pastifico Fabbri, one of the oldest and most antique and custom pasta workshops in all of Italy. Madalena is here. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
She's going to teach us all about pasta, a bunch of ancient artifacts on the table here, the traditional way, the artisanal way. Let's learn how to make pasta the way our great-grandmas did, people. All right, here we have two different types of pastas. This is what you buy in the grocery store, industrial, not so bueno. Here is artisanal, ancient grain-made, homemade pasta. This is what we're learning about today. We're starting off in the museum so you can get your hands dirty and see what used to go into making pasta the real way. You take your seed of the flour, drop it in this hole here, grind it around in a circle. The flour comes out and you have it very thick. So you have to put it through the sifter. Once you put it through the sifter, what comes out is called 00. This is very, very fine flour. Stepping over this way behind Madeline, these are all different antique pasta makers. The first ones that were made in the US and how you used to make pasta. I'm not gonna touch that anymore. Madeline, I'm sorry. Let's continue on to the warehouse. All right, we're here on the second floor of the pasta making warehouse, learning about what they do to ensure their pasta is delicious, nutritious, and better than industrial manufactured pasta. One of the ways is with this short pasta, they dry it for 48 hours to ensure the chemical process takes its time, and it's all natural, all organic. So once it's dried here for 2 days, it then gets put in this sifter, comes through the piping, down this moving tray, and shot downstairs for packaging, where it's then shipped to the stores and sold as delicious, artisanal, homemade pasta. This is epic. We're now seeing them hard at work, organizing the pasta, putting it through the processing. Look at this. This is so cool. Originelli. So what's unique about this facility is they still use a machine from the 1950s, one of the oldest in all of Italy, which ensures the artisanal way is still practiced here. I wish you guys could smell it in here. It smells like, I don't know, 50 grandmas from Italian heritage are just cooking pasta. It's all sitting out to dry and it's very dense air. You can smell it all around you. This pasta machine is incredible. It starts in the tubes up there. The grains and the water get mixed. The dough is turned over. It comes down through this machine, which has a big metal plate, just like this. This determines the shape of the pasta. It goes up into that hole. The dough gets pressed through and it comes out in strips. The pasta then goes through that machine, gets cooled to 6 degrees Celsius, and then the drying process can begin. Once the pastas come out of the machine, cooled at 36 degrees Celsius, the pasta master himself moves it from the machine to the rack. This pasta actually dries for 5 or 6 days to really ensure the flavors stay where they should be, and it cools nice and slow, letting nature take its course. All right, folks, you're getting a look inside the pasta drying silos. These are temperature controlled, 36 to 38 degrees, where the pasta sits for at least 3 days. And this is what makes their pasta so special and so delicious. It really gives the pasta time to settle properly and let the flavor settle, let the nutrients dig in deep to the pasta, and nothing's rushed. It's completely natural, and that's why it's so good. This isn't just any pasta place, guys. This is a very famous pasta place as part of the Fabbri family, all the way from the 19th century to today. They are making pasta the homemade way. Before we wrap up our tour, we're gonna go meet the great-grandson of the family that started it all, the Fabbri family. This is a very well-known brand of pasta. I'm wearing the label. Maybe he'll give me the VIP pass backstage. Magdalene, take me to the wizard. It's not just a name on a sticker. This is a name behind the family brand.
I am Marco Fabbri, he is a linguine.
Marco is 5th generation pasta making family. One of the oldest in all of Italy. One of the best in Italy, right?
Best in the world.
Best in the world, okay. You heard it here first. Fabbri pasta, best in the world. Go buy some. I'm now officially part of the Linguini family. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
All right, we are wrapping up our visit at the Fabbri family pasta making warehouse, and I'm blown away with the effort and energy put into making traditional artisanal pasta. This is the difference, and now I can see it and you can taste it. This is what my mom grew me up on. This is what I should have been eating. So when you have the chance, buy organic, buy homemade, buy Fabbri. And guys, like and subscribe to the video. We had a blast today. On to the next adventure.